Hi friends, my name is Ratan. So in this video, we'll discuss about the Python flow control statements. So you know C language, CVP language, Java. So every language contains flow control statements, right? Like if else, switch, like that. So in Python, we have the flow control statements. In Python, generally we have the conditional statements and what are iteration statements. So then what are the conditional statements? See, the points are same, just the syntaxes will be different, right? The points are same, the syntaxes will be different. Just you'll think about how the syntaxes are done, how the process is done in the Python class, right? That's it. So tell me, what are the conditional statements in Python here? So we have the conditional statements. Conditional statements, right? What are the conditional statements in Python here? We have the if is a conditional statements. Next one is what? If else. If else. Number 3 is what? Elif. ELIF. See, in short form of else if, right? The short form of what? Else if. We have the else if, elif, right? That's it. See, these are the conditional statements in Python. So if else, elif. See, here I'll give some information regarding what your if else and what elif. Tell me, you know the if else and all, right? Good. Tell me what the syntax of if. Tell me here. If of, here you can write the condition. If of what? Condition. So here you can write the colon. You can write the statement or what? Statements. So if of condition, so statement or statements. See, if the condition is true, the statements will be executed. If the condition is false, here colon, here statement, or you can write what? Statements, right? So like that. Okay. So if the condition is true, this one is executed. If the condition is false, else block will be executed, right? Good. See, in Python here, here directly can pass the condition. Some a greater than 0, a less than 0. Some conditions you can pass. Otherwise, in Python, here you can pass the constants also. Either you can pass the true comma or you can pass the false constant. See, in Python, as you know, while declaring the constants, the T must be capital and the F must be capital. So that starts with what? Capital letters, right? Clear? That's it. See, in Python, we have one more option. So instead of true, we can write 1. Instead of false, we can write what? 0. 1 represents what? True. 0 represents what? False. Clear? So like that, your if else conditions will be working here. So if of condition, colon, statement or statements, else, colon, statement or statements, right? That's it. See, here you can pass the condition. Otherwise, directly can pass the Boolean constant, true comma false. Otherwise, you can pass the 1 and 0. 1 represents the true, 0 represents what? False. See, practically we'll discuss those points. So just these are syntaxes, right? Good. What is the next one here? Else if, elif, right? Tell me here, what is the syntax of elif? Syntax of elif. You can write the if of what? Condition. If of condition, if the condition is true, the statement or statements will be executed here. Statement or what? Statements will be executed. See, here you can write the elif, ELIF, elif of. Here you can write the condition. If the condition is true, here the statements will be executed. Otherwise, you can write elif of what? Condition. So if this condition is 1, here statement or what? Statements. Like that, you can write any number of elif conditions. Like that, you can write what? Any number of elif. If all the points, if the condition is not satisfied, elif is not satisfied, elif is not satisfied, at final which one is executed here? Else will be executed. Here you can write the statement or statements. Clear? So this is just like your else if in Java actually. If of condition, if it is true, this body. Elif, if it is true, this body executed, that's it. This is not matched, elif, not matched, elif. These all are things are not matched. Then by default, which one is executed here? Else block will be executed. Clear? So this is all about whatever conditional statements in Python. Say, what are the conditional statements you have? If else, elif. What about if the condition is true, true body. That's it. What about if else? If the condition is true, true body. Otherwise, else body. Okay. So next one is what discuss elif. You can have the multiple options. If you have the multiple options, then simply can go for which point here? Elif points. Clear? So this is all about what conditional statements. See, you will discuss some practicals regarding this early the conditional statements. So then you will go for the iteration statements, right? Good. So you'll check some practicals.